Is the double tap to wake not working on your Samsung Galaxy phone? No worries. Here's a simple guide to fix the touchscreen or ghost touch issue. Let's jump right in. First, let's check your touchscreen for any hardware issues. Open the dialer app on your phone. Enter the code *#0*#. Tap on touch. Try drawing on the screen. If you can't draw around the screen, there may be a hardware issue. If not, then your hardware is fine. Now try following the guidelines. Solution 1. Turn off ignore repeated touches. Go to the settings, then scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on accessibility. Next, tap on interaction and dexterity. Now scroll down slightly, then tap on the ignore repeated touches option. Simply toggle it off. Now restart your phone and check whether your issue is solved or not. If not, Solution 2. Turn on double tap to turn on screen option. Go to the settings page again, then scroll down. After that, tap on the advanced features option. Then tap on the motions and gestures option. Here you'll find the double tap to turn on screen option. Just turn it on. If you still have the same issue, then follow the next solution. Solution 3. Check software update. Go to settings once again. Now scroll down, then tap software update. Next, tap download and install. If you have any updates available, then it will start downloading automatically. Solution 4. Reset all settings. Go to settings once again, then scroll down. After that, tap general management. Scroll down again, then tap reset. Scroll down once more. Now tap reset all settings. Then tap reset settings, and again tap reset. Wait for a while. Alright everyone, I hope your problem is fixed now. If this video helped you, please tap the like button. Thanks a lot for watching.